Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to unfriend someone on Roblox using your Android device. Whether you need to clean up your friends list or just want to move on, I'll walk you through the updated steps. Let's get started. First, launch the Roblox app on your Android device. Once it's open, look for the three dots located at the bottom right of your screen and tap on them. This will bring up a menu with several options. Next, tap on the Friends tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your friends. If you want to find a specific user, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to make it easier. Once you've located the user you want to unfriend, tap on their profile to open it. This will give you a closer look at their account. Now, look for the three-dot menu, usually found at the top right corner of their profile. Tap on that three-dot menu, and you'll see several options appear. Finally, select Unfriend from the menu. Confirm your choice, and that's it. You've successfully unfriended someone on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.